Trigonometry always depends upon angles and sides in a triangle. In our previous video, I explained what is angle, how to get positive angle and negative angle. And already you know types of angles in your previous classes. Acute angle, straight angle, right angle, obtuse angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Now we have to discuss measurement of an angle. Already you know how to measure an angle in degrees, but we have various types of systems to measure an angle. What are they? First one is sexagesimal system. First one is sexagesimal system, and second one is centesimal system, and third one is circular system. Circular system. We have three types of systems to measure an angle. What are they? First one is sexagesimal system, and second one is centesimal system, and third one is circular system. Okay, so these systems are measured in angle in different ways. Okay, I explain one by one. The another name of sexagesimal system is known as British system. British system or English system. In this system, the basic unit of measuring an angle is degree. Degree. What is the basic unit of this English system is degree. What is degree? Do you know? The degree means a complete angle. You take one complete angle and you divide it into 360 parts. How many parts? You divide this complete angle into 360 parts. 360 parts. Or you draw two lines, horizontal line and vertical line, and you get you one right angle also. Right angle. You divide it into 90 parts. That means you divide a complete angle into 360 equal parts. Otherwise, you take one of the portion, that is right angle. In a right angle, you divide 90 equal parts. Each equal part is known as a degree. Is known as degree. That means 1 by 360th part of complete angle, or 1 by 90th part of right angle is known as a degree. Already you know how to measure an angle in degrees. But what is degree? Degree means a complete angle divided into 360 equal parts. Each and every part represents a degree. Otherwise, you take one of the portion of complete angle, that is right angle. You divide this right angle into 90 equal parts. Each and every parts represent a degree. So that is the definition of degree. How to indicate the degree? Simply you write a small circle raised the power of the base. Okay? You write the small circle raised to the power of the base. That is the indication of degree. Already you know. Okay? Is it lowest measurement to indicate an angle? No. This is not a lowest measurement. The lowest measurement of degree, the lowest measurement of the angle is minutes and seconds. What is minute and what is second? I explain it. Okay, so a degree, this is the degree, 1 degree. That 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts. How many? 60 equal parts. So 1 degree divided into 60 equal parts once again. Every part of the degree is known as 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute can be represented by 1 dash. This represents 1 minute. So, what is minute? A degree divided into 60 equal parts. Each of the part is known as 1 minute. And once again, you take 1 minute. This is 1 minute. This 1 minute divided into 60 equal parts once again. So 1 minute divided into 60 equal parts once again. Each of the part in that particular minute is known as 1 second. 1 second can be represented as 1 double dash on the power. Okay, so this is the indication of second. These are the lowest measurements of angles, not a degree. Okay, so degree divided into 60 parts, you get minutes. Minutes divided into 60 parts, you get seconds. They are the lowest measurements. That means one right angle equal to how many minutes? How many degrees? 90 degrees. 90 degrees. And each degree equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. And each minute can be divided into 60 equal parts. Each part is known as 1 second. That means 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Okay. This is known as sexagesimal. Sexagesimal means 60 parts. 60 equal parts. So that is known as sexagesimal system. Another name is British system. This is English system. Okay, this is the indication of angle in the particular system. Okay, one of the problem which is related to British system. What is that? The number of minutes in 4.5 degrees. 4.5 degrees. Now you convert this degrees into minutes. Okay, 4.5 degrees is equal to 4.5 into degree. Here degree, 1 degree equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so instead of degree we have to substitute 60 minutes. 60 minutes. Okay, so you write 0, 6 5 ja 33 is there, 6 4 ja 24 plus 3 27. Point after you have 1 digit, put into point. That means 270 minutes. 270 minutes. Okay, that means degrees converting into minutes. Now the minutes converting into seconds also. What is that? 4.5 degree equal to 270 minutes. Already you know 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 270 into, instead of minutes you write 60 seconds. That equal to, you write 2 zeros, 6 7 are 42, 4 is there, 6 to the 12 plus 4, 60. That means 16,200 seconds. So this is the conversion. This is the conversion of minutes into degrees into minutes, minutes into seconds. State the following in degrees and minutes. Okay, for example, 60.3 degrees. Okay, they are in degrees converting into minutes. Degrees and minutes. So this can be represented by 60 degrees plus 0.3 degrees. That means 60 degrees plus this 0.3 degrees converting into minutes. That means 0.3 into 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. Simply write 60 minutes. Okay. So 60 degrees plus 3 by 10 into 60 minutes. 0 cancel. That equal to 60 degrees plus 18 minutes. So this can be represented by 60 degrees and 18 minutes. This is the representation of degrees and minutes. Next one is 58.4 degrees. This is in degrees converting into both degrees and minutes. Okay, so this can be represented by 58 degrees plus 0.4 degrees. So 58 degrees, already this is in degrees. Okay, this decimal number converting into minutes. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So plus 0.4 degrees converting into minutes, 60 minutes. So 58 degrees plus, okay, 0.4 can be represented by 4 by 10 into 60 minutes. 0 cancel. That equal to 58 degrees and 24 minutes. This can be represented by 58 degrees 24 minutes. So this is the representation of degrees and minutes of the given number in degrees. Okay. So in our next video we may continue next systems. What are they? Centesimal system and circular system. Okay.